Hey guys, all right, so I'm working on this spreadsheet and I was asking for ChatGPT to give me some like dummy data so I could enter over here. And then I asked for the item and for the price, right? And then it gave me, I asked it to table the results. Normally it gives me something that I can copy and paste. But this one was being weird. So what I did, this one put in a format that I can download the table. So you can just click here to download. You will see that it will download as CSV. All you have to do here, you can like create a new tab and then go to File, Import. And then you're gonna upload, hold on G.
Did you give Sunny her medicine?
No. And then you're going to select the table that you just downloaded. Just click open. And then here you're going to select replace current sheet. And then you click import data. And then it will table this for you. So all you gotta do here, you can copy this. And then I'm going to enter that right here.